Hey guys, welcome back to another tech tip and guide video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can log in to your Eharmony account. So first of all, go to the official website of Eharmony, which is eharmony.com, and once you're in this website, on the top right side of the screen, you can see a box where you can log in from Facebook or with your Apple ID, or you could also enter your email address, password, and log into your account. So you can log in with whichever method you like. Since I have an email, I'll use my email to log into my eHarmony account. So first of all, type in your email address, then type in your password. After you have typed in your email address and password, click login, and there you have it. You have successfully logged into your eHarmony account. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more informational and helpful videos like these.